Hey, what's going on, guys? Jamal Long here, providing you guys with another trading recap video. Today was a pretty good day, finishing up the day up 128 bucks. No complaints, right? Start out Monday, start out the week. Green is always a good thing. Let's just get right to the recap. So today I ended up trading Cisco, right? And so, as I mentioned in one of my previous videos, Cisco. Well, typically I have an alert set for companies that are at or near a 52-week high or an all-time high, right? And so typically when you see stocks break out of that channel, whether it's a 52-week high or a all-time high, they continue higher. And so got an alert this morning indicating that Cisco was above its 52-week high. And so I pulled up the charts, plotted some lines, plotted some support and resistance lines, and noticed that during the pre-market and after hours, this level right here at 54.47 was a huge level of resistance, right? Could not break above that level. But as the market opened, we rallied above that level, right? And so typically, as I always mention, you always look for confirmation, right? That the stock is going to trend higher or lower, depending on whatever trend you identify. And so, as you can see, this was a huge level of resistance. Once the market opened, it broke above that level. And as you can see, it held that level. And see, this is what I talk about validating a level of support. It validated that level. And as you can see, it pushed high. So for me, I ended up holding on to this position for some time, right? So I ended up jumping in around right here, right? So around 10:30, ended up jumping in. And so the reason why I jumped in was because I noticed that we were not making a lower low, right? So this is a low right here, down here. This is considered a low, but we didn't break below that level. And then, of course, this level is a lower low as well. So we didn't break below that level, and we started to push up. We got back above this 9 EMA line, and as you can see, we rallied, right? And so for me, I took this position, held on for some time because I had the confirmation. I wasn't concerned that the trade would go against me, and as you can see, we rallied nicely, right? And so I ended up jumping out right as we got into this level of resistance. Um, I wanted to see if it went higher, but after seeing this candle right here, where we have this this is essentially pushing down the price action. And so we saw that, you know, sellers come in or buyers just step back and stop buying, and then this went down. So I jumped out, right? And as you can see, it went down slightly before rebounding and continuing that upward move. Right? So made that move, continue higher, right? Yeah, this was a nice rally, right? Before pulling back and yeah, before rallying again. So overall, this was a pretty good trade, pretty low risk trade at that. And so yeah, after taking a loss on Friday, right, it's a great way to start out the week. And yeah, looking forward to continuing this momentum going forward. So on that note, that's the breakdown of this trade. But overall, the market in general was strong today. The SPY rallied significantly. Was up 1.19%. So this was a huge move higher. Right. So as you can see, we had that nice gap up based on some reports out of China. Data was decent, and then we had a pretty good number today on some other economic data. As you can see, that huge gap up, and it actually held that level throughout the day. And so as you can see, overall, it's a good market to trade in. So on that note, I'll pick this back up the next time I trade, and you guys have a good one.